Hello friend. Today I will discuss about a very interesting topic, mainly cleaning purpose. And for cleaning purpose, we have to use the various type of cleaning reagent, mainly soap or detergent. So for cleaning purpose, which type of reagents are more good, more beneficial, I will discuss today. In recent times, various type of things, mainly house, temples, and various type of things are constructed by using marble stone. And from ancient time, various type of temple, masjid, and mainly Taj Mahals are constructed using a marble stone. So for cleaning these things, actually which type of chemical reagents, soaps or detergents are good or bad, I will discuss. Soap, definition of soaps: soaps is a sodium potassium soap carbonic acid that is attached to a long aliphatic chain. Here in soaps, sodium potassium metals are present, and also a long aliphatic chains are attached with these salts. These are called salts. An example of salts are sodium palmitate, sodium stearate, etc. And detergent, here also sodium or potassium salts are present, and also here not aliphatic, here long type of alkyl group oriented chains are attached, and also the terminate of the alkyl group chain, also the sulfonate groups are attached, and these type of compounds are called detergents. An example of detergent is deoxycholic acid and sodium lauryl sulfate, etc. So actually which type of which chemicals, soaps or detergents are good for cleaning a mainly marble oriented things, marble oriented surface, I will discuss. So chemical formula of the marble is calcium carbonate, and this marble was coming from marmaros, Greek word marmaros. So marmaros means a bright stones. That's why the marbles are show a bright color. And our the popular things Taj Mahals are all constructed by using a white marble, and this white marble called a markana. So to clean this Taj Mahal or every marble oriented things, actually which type of chemical soap or detergents are good, I will discuss. The general formula of the soaps is RCOO minus Na plus, and the chemical formula for marble is calcium carbonate. So when we use a soaps to clean this marble surface, so then soaps are react with calcium carbonate to form a this type of product, and this type of products are insoluble in nature. So when we use a soap to clean this marble surface, this type of insoluble products are formed, and this insoluble type products color is gray type product. So when the dry after cleaning, when dry the surface marble surface, this type of solid products are present, already present here. That's why this surface marble surface are damaged, and the color of the marble surface is decrease. But when we use a detergent, the chemical general formula of the detergent equal to is this, and where R denoted the long alkyl group oriented chain, and this is the sulfonic group SO3 minus. So this is the detergent general formula. When detergent react with calcium carbonate to form this type of product, and this type nature of this type of product is soluble in nature. So when detergent used to cleaning this all marble oriented things, that this soluble type of products are formed, and this soluble type of products removed by water. So that's why when we have to use a detergent to clean this all marble oriented things, like Taj Mahal, then this type of soluble product are formed. But when we use a soap, this type of insoluble product are formed. So for any marble oriented things, when we clean this, detergent is good reagent compared to soap. So today class is actually which type of chemicals, reagent, mainly detergent or soaps, are more beneficial for cleaning this marble oriented things. So if you like this video, please share, one comment, and subscribe my channel, because your one like, one subscribe, one comment to motivate me to prepare a further new video.